Hi there guys, my name's Matthew and today I'm gonna be showing you how to be a YouTuber. So go to YouTube, tap over here, over there so you can see it, tap that, tap uploads. As you can see, all my videos are over here. So over here, so you can see it too. Tap that, tap in gallery. You can see all the videos over here.
Wala. Ang alaga lang nung 20, 30, yun lang yung pinakatay nila every Sunday, every week.
Let's try over here.
Kasi marami silang tauhan. Pang-function lang nila, bibihira silang magbenta. Kung magbenta man sila,
the title.
Kasi yung asawa niya, sa slaughter, 400 pesos, 500 kukunin nila sa bahay mo, yung halit na rin
Oh. What?
Malinis na,
What just happened? So yeah, leave a like if you like. Wow, wait. Don't end this video. I'm gonna show you something. And as you can see here, it says Drivery. Tap it. Go to public. Don't go private. Go to public. And yes, and tap this. Upload it. And yeah. Leave a like if you like this video. Please subscribe and hello.